Today I'm going through some of my top features on the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Is this now the perfect smartphone gimbal? And filming on your phone has improved so much over these last few years. The camera quality is improved, the photos are really good. You're going to have your phone with you majority of the time, so you're never going to miss that shot. But to get your footage even better, phone gimbals like this still have a really important role to play. You see, smartphone stabilization has got better, but it's still not brilliant. Whereas with this, you're going to get this really nice floating movement using a gimbal on your phone. But phone gimbals used to be really slow, not convenient, and really bulky as well. The setup time was just a complete nightmare getting it all set up, but now on this makes it so much quicker. So you can see now it's just so small and easy to carry around with you, and this is one of its greatest features. It's not a hassle to take it with me, so I'm going to take my phone with me majority of the time everywhere I go, and I can easily just take this as well when I want to get the best possible quality. But it's also got quick start, so as soon as you just lift that up now, it is started, ready to go, auto switch on, so a great feature on here. And then you can get your smartphone and then just attach it to the top and you are ready to go. It auto is ready now, aligned, ready, so I can either have it in horizontal or I can have it in vertical at the touch of a button. And that setup time, that quickness means I'm not going to miss the shot then. I'm never going to be going, oh, I need to get it all calibrated, I need to get it all balanced, and then everything I'm wanting to film has just gone. So the setup time on here is just completely lightning fast. And something which hasn't improved the last few years is any kind of tracking on your phone, keeping you centered in the frame. We have this on the Osmo Mobile 6 and it works really good. We've had it for the last few years, to be honest, but it's got better every year. So you can drag a box around yourself like I have now. If I'm doing like a tutorial, a reel or a TikTok, or I'm just vlogging, this will follow me and it will keep me centered in the frame, and it's super fast as well. So wherever I go, it will follow me and keep me centered. And it's just that quickness again. It means I can put the phone onto the gimbal, it's now on the tripod legs, and I'm perfectly centered. So I could now do like a Zoom call, I could do a FaceTime call, I could do a reel or a TikTok, and I am centered. If I move around, the phone's going to keep me in the frame, so I don't have to keep readjusting the phone all over the place. Wherever I move, the phone will follow me. So the active track on here is great. And also I love doing hyperlapses and motion time lapses. So if you've ever done a time lapse on your phone, it's all right. You just basically prop your phone up somewhere and get this static shot. However, on here, what you can do, you can set different customized points, and the phone itself with the gimbal will rotate so you can get these moving time lapses. It's really cool. And then the hyperlapses are obviously, you know, I love hyperlapses with my drones, and now you can do them from ground level with this. So it's the extra features which sets this apart from just using your phone. You can do hyperlapses, time lapses, you've got the spin shot rotation on here where it rotates around, so that's a really cool looking shot. But it just makes it really easy. And two new features that I've liked are the new focus and zoom wheel. So be able to zoom in and out easily and quickly just by rotating this wheel on the side is a game changer. And also if you like doing manual focus, so you can actually focus now manually just by clicking on here, and then again using this wheel, you can get these really smooth focused shots. So go from manual to focus. And I mean, it also looks pretty sick as well. I mean, look at this color, this really cool stealth-like color. I just think it looks ace. But I also like this new mode system on the front of it. So by just clicking on here, I can go into the different modes. So I'm now in FPV mode, so I have full control over this phone and the gimbal. If I click it again, it now goes into spin shot mode. So now I can just turn on the joystick and it will now do these really cool spin shots. And if I click the button again, it's now in follow mode. So now I can get these really smooth looking shots that you see. And then you can also rotate your phone as well. And then you can get these really good shots low to the ground. And then if I click it again, it's now going to go into tilt lock. So now the phone is going to stay the same and I can move the gimbal, and wherever I move that gimbal, the phone is still going to stay locked in that position. But that's great because it means I don't have to go into the menus to change into those different modes. I've got full access to them just by pressing this mode button. It's really good. So everything's nice and convenient and lightweight. So because of all those features, you're going to take it with you more. It's not a hassle, you know, having to set it up. And then when I've finished filming on this, I can just take the phone off, I can fold this away, and that's it, done, off. It's just simple. And this magnetic mount is not new, but it is also really intuitive. We don't see these on other gimbals. So this stretches. So this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this will fit on here perfectly. And this also has the Apple Clear case on it. So this just stretches over the back. You don't need to balance it. You don't need to do any calibrations whatsoever. Just make sure that's in the middle. and then you unfold the actual gimbal, and then you just connect that onto it and it just snaps in place. And then once it's actually gone on, it then just rotates and it's now ready. So in about 10 seconds from actually setting it up, you're ready to go. And accidents do happen, so what I really do recommend you pick up is the DJI Care Refresh plan. I'll link it all in the description below to get some more information. But basically, it's like a comprehensive insurance plan for your DJI device. So whether you've got the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, you might drop this, you might crash your drone, this is going to cover you for that device. And it's just that extra peace of mind. You see, I don't want to be away from my devices long, and I certainly don't want them to break. They cost a lot of money. So if I can get them repaired or replaced quickly, that is so convenient. And with DJI, I'm also giving away 3 12-month Care Refresh plans for the Osmo Mobile 6. To enter, all you've got to do in the comments down below is just tell me the reason why you want to enter and make sure you subscribe, and I'll pick 3 of you at random. But this is awesome and valued protection, whether you got it for the Osmo Mobile 6 or any of the different DJI devices. I really do recommend you go and pick up DJI Care Refresh. And what's really good as well is that this phone gimbal is really strong, so I can use it in vertical or horizontal. I've got a 14 Pro Max on here with a case and it balances perfectly, something which we've had issues with previous versions. And I can get better audio as well, because phone audio isn't the best, but I could use like a wireless microphone system. I can attach this to the bottom of my phone, and then I've got the actual receiver on me here, and now I've got perfect audio wirelessly transmitted to my phone, and it balances again perfect, no issues whatsoever. And this is with a heavy phone with a case, so I can have this set up at a distance and get really good audio, or I could walk around and vlog with this and get the perfect audio as well. And a shot I really like to get is these low to ground shots. So you can do this best by tilting your phone gimbal like this, and it will auto adjust, and now you can get these really good looking dolly shots going across. But this phone gimbal also extends, and this is a really good feature. So I don't really use this as like a selfie stick, to be honest, but you can if you want to, and you can also get high up shots with this. But I just do it for these low to ground shots as well. So I can now be stood up, and then using this selfie stick, I can just hold it. I've got full access to the controls, so I can stop and start recording. I can zoom in if I want to, and now I've got full access to one of my favorite shots with this. So overall, I've been really impressed with this phone gimbal, using it for the last few months. I think it's the best one you can get for sure. Loads of people love filming on their phones now, so if you can get some more creative shots, creative ideas, this will make you think more and try and get better content by using this. But also if you've got like kids who love doing TikToks, Reels, you're doing tutorials, getting into a YouTube channel, this is again perfect. It does everything you want to. So if you want to go and check this out, it's about £145. I think it'll make a really good Christmas present. I'll link it all in the description below. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments down below if you picked up one of these, if you got one of the older versions, and this could be a really good upgrade, which I think it would be just from these features alone. Let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.